Let us start with first drawing tool, that is line command. Simple line. Shortcut for line command is L enter. So just press L and enter. Now enter and spacebar will do the same thing. So whenever I say enter in throughout the video sessions, you can press spacebar for that. Okay. After starting a line command, it will prompt for first point. So you can select first point, and it will prompt for next point, and we can select next point. So from one point to other point, you can just create a line command randomly. Now let us see how to control that line command, because you don't want random lines in your drawing. So first point we can click wherever we want, and if I put ortho on, shortcut is F8, function key 8, or there is an ortho symbol in the status tool. If I put ortho on, I can create straight lines, either horizontal or vertical. So depending upon direction, now I am going into right hand side, I can just enter the value by keyboard, say 100, and a line of 100 will be created. Okay. Again line command, starting from this point. Okay. Now line command will continue from one point to other point, and thereafter again line command will start. Okay, so unless and until you press escape, line command will not be terminated. Okay, so I'm just showing that. Let us say I'm making a line of 20, then I'm changing a direction to upside and making again line of 20, again on right side 20. So this line command keeps on repeating one point after the other. Okay, so I can press escape to terminate that line command. Even though that these three lines are created using one line command, still those lines are separate entities. So you have to select each entity if you want to select all three lines. Now what about the inclined lines? Ortho will give you the straight lines. If I put ortho off, function F8, the shortcut for ortho, I can give distance, that is 50, and I will go with @ and I will make an angle of 45. Okay, so 50 tab will get me into the angle, and 45, so that will create a line of length 50 and angle 45. Okay, now again angle will be measured always in anti-clockwise direction. So this is my 0 line, a vertical line will be 90, another horizontal line on the left hand side is 180 and 270, and angle will be always measured with a straight line and anti-clockwise direction. Okay, then one more option is there in line command. If I am starting line from this point, and let us say my ortho is on, and I am making a line of 30, and in upper direction I am making line of 15, and I have made mistake while entering that line 15. So you have an option called undo. If you check the command line, you have the option called undo, that is U enter, and in line command, sorry, we will do it again, L enter, 30, 15, and you have option of undo, U enter, and line command will be back to the previous point, that is 30 line. Okay, so I am making ortho on again. Let us say I am making it 20, left hand side 20. Now if you remember, I have started my line command from this point. Okay, so there is an option called close, C enter in line command itself, and if I select that option, the line command will be terminated at the starting point. Okay, if you don't want to close that line command, always you can do escape, which is terminating a line command. So this is a basic simple line command with two options, that is undo option and close option, and using ortho you will draw a straight line, and using polar you will draw the angled line. Okay,